Hello Mustangs, today we're here to talk more about food and our passion for it.
My top pick, that's very difficult to ask a foods and nutrition professor. We like a lot of different things, we like a lot of variety. I tend to go Mediterranean or Greek.
We have a dish that's made out of yogurt called mansaf. Usually it's served a lot at weddings. It's a very common concept in Arab culture.
I really lean into comfort food, particularly this time of year. So macaroni and cheese, chocolate brownies, all the good stuff.
And I heard of another opportunity to explore food from around the world and different cultures, and that is a cooking showdown.
The Cooking Showdown is in our labs. They're state-of-the-art labs and they support our students. The other thing I'm really passionate about our labs is that it's actually providing services for society and for the local community.
Students will compete and we will find out who is Western's Top Chef 2025.
It's lovely as a judge because we actually get to walk around as well while they're preparing it. Then of course they present it to us and then we have an opportunity to taste each dish.
I think another really fun thing about this event is hearing the story of the food and seeing the pride that the competitors have, and then hearing the story of why they made that dish and how it's special to them and their family.
I think food for everybody should be something that, of course, is nutritious, and we know that what that entails, but also should be something that you enjoy, that you take pleasure in.
Well, I really looked for all of the senses, so the smell, the scent, the appearance, what it looked like, and then of course the taste. And then through the taste, the texture of the food.
That's really exciting, and I'll see you there at Cultural Cooking Showdown.